Hey guys, it's time for another set of gadgets for all occasions. Get ready to free your pockets and wear some cool jewelry. We've got a pair of accessories for those who might be interested in unusual lighters and organizers. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Say hello to your new cardiologist, WellU ArmFit Plus. This compact gadget allows you to check your blood pressure and electrocardiogram and help detect cardiovascular diseases in time. When checking blood pressure, just wrap an inflatable cuff around your arm, push the button, and wait about 30 seconds. As for the EKG, put your hands on both sides of the device to start recording. The results will appear in the built-in OLED screen, and most importantly, the ArmFit Plus is able to send all the data to your phone via Bluetooth. The dedicated app collects your results in a glanceable way so you can instantly share them with your doctor. The link to the product you'll find in the description box. This wallet might look simple, but you'd better take a closer look. A triple combo of stainless steel, aluminum, and nylon makes the device sturdy as hell. And since it's RFID blocking, thieves won't steal your card info. The wallet holds up to 8 cards at a time, and a money clip on the side will take care of your cash and bottles. Jokes aside, there's an integrated bottle opener. Every corner of the wallet is actually a particular tool, either a screwdriver or glass breaking tip for emergency situations. A carabiner attachment will be cool for carrying the wallet on a lanyard. There's more. The device also boasts a built-in rechargeable flashlight with several modes. That's a bargain. You haven't played chess before? This board will teach you. Moreover, you'll be on par with the masters. You'll have to start by choosing your level so the board can provide you with perfect hints. Once you touch a piece, your potential moves will be highlighted in different colors. You don't even need an actual partner. Artificial intelligence can play against you and adapt to your level. Plus, the board is provided with a mobile app that lets you play online or participate in tournaments. Without the assistance, of course. The app also collects all the data concerning your previous games. Keep getting better every day. Everyone who's into sports has faced that problem. Your smartphone is too bulky and fragile, but you still need your music to work out. Here's the ultimate solution. This player looks really similar to the iPod Shuffle, but it has a couple of important advantages. It works with Spotify and doesn't require any cords or PC for syncing. Just download the mobile app, pair the gadget with your phone, and choose the tracks you want to download. Over 4 gigabytes of internal memory allow you to store up to 48 hours of music. The player is compatible with both iPhone and Android, as well as wired and wireless headphones. Thanks to the compact size and the built-in clip, carrying this thing is a breeze. You'll get up to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. Here's the most natural and intuitive graphic tablet ever. Unlike the competitors, this one works with regular paper and your favorite drawing pencils. All you have to do is place a sheet of paper on the tablet and put the slide Repaper ring into your favorite pencil. The tablet supports over 8,000 pressure levels, so it accurately reflects every detail. Using a special app, you can instantly see your drawings appearing on the screen. The Repaper Studio application will help to manage with layers, brushes, and image import. Fun part, it records the drawing process and creates time-lapse videos that you can easily share. Oh, and it's available both on mobile and desktop platforms. Now, if you still need a regular graphic tablet, just pick the included stylus and work as usual. It's compatible with all your favorite software. Does your pen have a SIM card slot? This one has 2. The thing is, it's not just a pen. It's a fully functional mobile phone. So it features a tiny 1-inch screen, a set of physical buttons, and even a 0.3 megapixel camera. And since the pen is Bluetooth enabled, you can easily transfer all the contacts from your smartphone and receive texts. Or use this thing as a remote when shooting photos and videos. On top of that, the device is able to play FM radio and record audio. There's a TF card slot, so feel free to store all the files right on the pen. The integrated flashlight must be extremely handy as well. This thing charges with a regular micro USB cable, and it's still a great pen. This is the perfect razor for shaving your head. What makes it so good? Thanks to the built-in roller ball and dual-axis suspension, the blade adjusts to all the curves of your head. In addition, this thing is really lightweight and comfortable to hold. There's a special rubber finger ring that provides solid grip. By the way, it's not just for your head. This innovative construction makes the razor perfectly suitable for face and body as well. The razor is compatible with 2 different blade types. Changing the blade is extremely easy and won't take you more than a couple of seconds. This little motorcycle will turn the most boring process into a funny race. This ring is a must-have for every cyberpunk fan. It stands out with this really unusual retro wave-styled pattern. And you can tell it's a premium accessory since it's made entirely of high-grade sterling silver. Plus, it's actually handmade. And there's a pair of tactical rings that combine an elegant look with some really neat features. They're primarily designed for self-defense. Made of titanium, these accessories are corrosion and scratch resistant. The toughest part, though, is the tungsten steel head that's sharp and strong enough to break glass. In addition, there are 2 built-in tritium tubes that glow in the dark, and if you're safe, the rings may double as a super portable bottle opener. So the rings are not as useless as you might think. The problem is that our smartphones aren't quite suitable for tough conditions. So here's your ultimate travel companion. Rugged and hardy as it gets, it's not that different from the regular phones. It runs on Android 10 and features a decent 4-inch screen, so the phone is perfectly sized for effortless carrying. The most impressive part, though, is the 48-megapixel camera. The device also stands out with a dual SIM card slot and expandable memory, but above all, this thing features military-grade protection. In addition to the sturdy and fully waterproof body, it uses Corning Gorilla Glass, and when you're out of network coverage, the phone quickly transforms into an actual walkie-talkie that functions within a 5-mile range. And since it supports fast charging, keeping the battery full is no issue. Here's the easiest way to discover the power of solar energy. Each of these futuristic models is equipped with several solar wafers. As soon as you put them in direct sunlight, they start converting it into electricity. And that's where it gets really exciting. This energy powers the built-in motors, and the models start rotating completely on their own. The more sunlight they get, the faster they spin. As you can see, there's a variety of different shapes and types of movement. Aside from the solar panels, the models are equipped with some magnets that will make the rotation more stable. The positioning system is thought through so the models will neither shake nor vibrate while spinning. If you want to dive deeper into the whole mechanism, there's a DIY option as well. Even the solar energy isn't as powerful as the Stim of Octane from Apex Legends. Well, this thing won't make you move faster, but at least it looks exactly like the original one. This prop is life-sized and crafted with great precision. And here's something quite similar, the Promethium canister from Stranger Things. The thing is handmade and safety sealed on both sides so there won't be any leakage. Otherwise, who knows what'll happen. Bang! Relax. This is just an unusual 3-torch turbo gas lighter. No matter the weather, its straight flame is as powerful as you'd expect and easily adjustable. You can stare at it forever and actually use anywhere you need. The operation is quite ordinary since there's a single button on the body. Made of metal, the accessory is sturdy. A cap on top prevents the accidental burns. It's firmly attached with a chain so you won't lose it. The lighter runs on gas. There's a hole in the bottom for refilling. With a wide range of colors to choose from, you'll definitely find the one that suits your style. This one's for your keychain. This is a 2-inch capsule with a screw-on lid that'll fit some small valuables like cash, pills, and so on. Since it's made of titanium, it'll last you forever and more. All the things are safely protected in there, plus there's a special seal that ensures water protection. The capsule comes with 3 spikes that turn the device into a grappling hook, making it perfect for a fishing tackle box, self-defense, and even holding several bags in one hand. And you could hardly imagine a better toothpick, but we didn't tell you that.